Good morning, students. How are you this morning? Miss hopes all of you are fine. For this morning, we will study English subject. We will start from page 38 until 40. Here, we will try to discuss about ability by saying I can or disability by saying I can't. Pagi ini kita akan belajar bahasa Inggris. Kita akan mulai dari halaman 38 sampai 40. Pada bagian ini kita akan membahas tentang kemampuan dengan mengatakan saya dapat atau ketidakmampuan dengan mengatakan saya tidak dapat. Okay, now it's time to prepare the things you need like book, pencil, or something else. Practice 2. Yes, I can. Or yes, we can. Here, Miss Maristan will explain about subject I and we first. Subject I as singular subject, the speaker speaks directly. Subject we as plural subject, it can be two or more people include the speaker. Latihan 2, yes I can or yes we can. Di sini Miss Maristan akan menjelaskan tentang subjek I dan we terlebih dahulu. Subjek I adalah subjek tunggal atau hanya satu orang di mana pembicaranya berbicara langsung. Contohnya speakernya itu Miss Maristan. Speaker itu artinya pembicara. And Miss Maristan speaks directly. Nah, Miss Maristan berbicara langsung. So, jadi Miss Maristan boleh katakan I seperti itu. Untuk menyatakan kemampuannya, I can read. Nah, seperti itu. Itu contoh. Yang kedua, subjek we itu adalah subjek jamak, artinya lebih dari satu subjek, di mana terdiri dari dua orang atau lebih, termasuklah di dalamnya si pembicara. Katakan tadi pembicaranya adalah Miss Maristan, maka Miss Maristan tidak hanya sendiri tapi dengan teman-temannya Miss Maristan. Contohnya, my friends and I can read. Itu contohnya. Nah, sekarang we are going to do this practice. Kita mau kerjakan latihan ini. Before we do this practice, better we read the instruction first. The instruction says, write yes I can or yes we can. Kita mau tulis yes I can or yes we can. For number 1, better we see the pictures first, ya. Don't forget to see the pictures. Jangan lupa lihat gambarnya terlebih dahulu. Nomor 1, can you skip? Look at the girl. Only one girl. So, when this girl is going to answer, so this girl can say, yes, I can skip. Jadi karena satu orang perempuan, maka anak ini ketika ingin menjawab, dia boleh katakan, yes, I can skip. It is number 1. Number 2, the question, can you kick? Okay, look at the boy. How many boy? Only one. So, when this boy is going to answer, this boy can say, yes, I can kick. Nah, itu dia. For number 3, can you climb? Look, the picture. Lihat gambarnya. How many people? There are 2 people. So, when they are going to answer, they can say, yes, we can climb. Then, for number 4, can you run? Look at the picture again. How many people there? Ada berapa orang? Look, there are 2 people. Ada 2 orang. So, when they are going to answer, they can say, ketika mereka ingin menjawab, mereka boleh katakan, yes, we can run. For number 5, can you jump? Look at the picture. Ada berapa orang? Ada 2 orang. So, they can say, yes, we can jump. Can you understand everyone? If you have already understand, we can continue to the next page, page 39. Practice 3. Can or can't. Can for ability, can't for disability. For example, if I can do something like jump, I can say I can jump. But if I cannot do anything like jump, I can say I can't jump. Remember, can't itu bentuk pendek dari cannot. Okay? Now let's see page 39. We are going to do this exercise. The first we do is read the instruction. Kita baca terlebih dahulu petunjuknya. Look at the pictures. Use the words in the box to write sentences. Jadi kita mau membuat kalimat, tetapi yang pertama kita lakukan adalah memperhatikan gambar, lalu memasangkan kata yang ada di dalam kotak berdasarkan gambar. So, Miss Maristan will read the words. Can fly, can skip, she run, he hop, they climb. Okay, look at the pictures for number 1. What does this boy do? Apa yang dilakukan anak ini? Hop. Can he hop? Okay, we write he can hop. Don't forget to write he H with capital letter, ya. Huruf H-nya harus huruf besar, and after the sentence don't forget to put full stop. Jangan lupa kasih titik setelah kalimat. For number 2, lihat gambar yang kedua. This boy falls down. Laki-laki ini jatuh saat bermain skipping. So, can he skip? So, we write here, he can't skip. Okay. Number 3, look at the people. What they do? Apa yang mereka lakukan? Jump. Okay, climb. Okay, can they climb? So we write here, they can climb. Okay, number 4, look at the people. Lihat orang-orang ini. What do they do? Apa yang mereka lakukan? Fly. Can the people fly? Anak-anak, bisa nggak human fly? Bisa manusia terbang? Because human don't have wings, so they cannot fly. Karena manusia nggak punya sayap, maka manusia nggak bisa terbang. So they can't fly. Number 5. Look at this girl. What does this girl do? Apa yang dilakukan anak perempuan ini? Ya, run. Can she run? Okay, she can run. Okay, that's all. Now we will continue to the next page, page 40. Practice 4. Yes, I can, or no, I can't. Now we want to do this exercise. For number 1, look at the pictures. Write what they say. Use the words in the box to help you. Nah, perhatikan gambar, tulislah apa yang mereka katakan, gunakan kata yang ada di dalam kotak untuk membantumu. Apa kata yang di dalam kotak? Yes, I can, or no, I can't. Okay, for number 1, look at the picture. Can you climb? Look at the picture. Can he climb? Because he can climb, we can write, yes, I can climb. Because the speaker answer it directly. Yang kedua, can you fly? Can human fly? Bisa nggak manusia terbang? Because human doesn't have wings, so human cannot fly. Okay? So, I can't fly. Number 3, can you kick? Bisakah kamu tendang bolanya? Because he can, so he answers, I can kick. For the last, can you skip? Look, he falls down. Dia jatuh, so he cannot. Berarti dia tidak bisa. So we can write, I cannot skip. Or short formnya, I can't skip. Okay, that's all everyone. Don't forget to watch this video and do the exercise until finish. If you have any question, you may ask the teacher while you having Google Meet. That's all. Bye-bye. Thank you.